Hey, it's Patty Allred here, coming to you from my bed because that's where I work most of the time because that's where I like to work. It makes me comfortable. I am dressed and have had my shower and things, but I'm looking out my window and I just like, anyway, I'm in North Carolina and I hope you're having an amazing day. Listen, I am starting a new YouTube series where I'm going to be walking you through me going through a lead program that I'm doing. Had done it a few years ago, and really, I don't even remember why I stopped doing it. But then I have been seeing several people smashing it with this program, and then I thought, I've already done that one. I'm not going to do it. Found out I could go and get my account back. So I'm doing it. I just started a few days ago and I actually haven't even looked at my results because I'm going to do it for several months and see what the results are, because that's what serious marketers do. Come into this with a mindset of, I'm not spending any money to make money online. Please go get a job. Please, because that will save you a lot of time. It does take money. It's different amounts for different things, but it does take money. So this program does take money that I'm doing. Not a lot though at all. I don't know. I really hate I haven't been using it over the past few years. But coming into entrepreneurship, Grandma-Preneur, Mee-Mee-Preneur, you got to have the mindset knowing that it's going to take a while. Your first 3, 6, 9 months, even a year, are going to be your backbone, your training, your learning, you're doing mistakes. If you're not making mistakes, you're doing it wrong, because that's how you learn. Now, I do help women and a few brave men bypass a lot of those mistakes and the crap that you have to go through, because I've been doing this for so long. My passion is to help you. That's what I want to do. But it's up to you. Excuse me. I can't help you do it if you're not going to put the time in and know that it does take time daily, and it takes time, a long period of time, to see results. And it does take money. So I said it. I want you to hop on, a couple of times a week and check out what I've got going. I do offer a free 30-minute Zoom call, or we can chat and just see where, what you're looking for. See if I can help you out in any way. It's free. Zero. That's free. I have a calendar set up where you can book a call with me. So I will put that link somewhere, depending on what social media this is on. I'll put that link somewhere. Click it. Book a call. Let's talk. It's time. Patti Allred in North Carolina, here to help you enjoy life, because we should. I'll talk with you soon. See ya.